Let me show you how to turn on, also how to insert the batteries, how to power it, and also how to change the speed on this mini multifunctional household sewing machine. So there are actually two ways how we can power this model, which is absolutely awesome. So you see on the bottom we actually have compartment even for batteries. So you see it takes these 4 standard AA batteries. So to insert them, so literally insert them. Also obviously make sure this like knob is on the position off, otherwise the sewing machine will actually start sewing, you see. So we insert inside and basically replace this lid here, and then we can pretty much start sewing from the batteries as well. So if you want to start, basically, so there are two ways how to start it, either with this knob. So you see you have on, so off button, low mode, and also high mode. So you see once I actually start it, yep. So yep, we have two modes, low mode and high mode. And then obviously also you can power it from a wall as well. So you see on the bottom of the sewing machine we have the power plug over here. So we would simply take this and insert here essentially. Also we can operate it from the foot pedal as well if you want to. So you see we take this foot pedal plug here and insert here in the foot pedal area. Okay, and then also obviously we can operate from the foot pedal. Also, if you decide to actually run it from a wall, then also make sure to remove the batteries, otherwise the machine can actually become faulty essentially. So again, either power it from the wall. If you do not power it from the wall, remove the batteries internally. Also, what you have to know is if you power it from the wall, you'll actually have more torque and also more power for this machine. It also will actually work a bit faster as well. And if you, especially if you need to sew through very thick fabric, again simply power it from the wall instead of the internal batteries. So you see, you can also turn it on using this foot pedal. So you would simply put this on the floor essentially and simply operate with your foot. So simply put on your foot over here. So you see, once I actually press it, yeah, the sewing machine actually works. So if you are operating from the foot, then obviously we can't change the speed of it as well. So there's only one speed for the foot operation, so it's either on or off essentially. By the way, also if you want to learn how to properly set up, how to thread the top part, bottom part, you can also check out my other videos. I have tons of different videos about this sewing machine. Also, when you start sewing with it, probably the most important thing is to set basically correct tensions. Essentially, for most fabrics, it should be at maybe number 4. If you set it at maybe number 1 or 9, it will create huge problems for you. Basically, the thread will bunch up and the basically sewing quality won't be very good. And this over here is a reverse switch. So if you want to go into reverse, yeah, basically press that if you want to basically change these patterns. So we can do that by turning this essentially, but obviously make sure your needles up. Anyway, yeah, I had tons of different videos on how to do pretty much everything on this machine if you need to. Also we have the light here as well that we can turn on or off. And yeah, overall this machine actually is very, very decent, I would say. Okay, good luck.